I'm not that clever, but there are some pretty obvious things which Facebook could check. This page was created on the 28th of September 2020. If you go to the page, it's got 1,757 likes and all sorts of things there in a matter of a day of it being put up. And it has one ad, which is started running on the 6th of October. It's now the 6th of October. I've reported it, so I don't know how long it will run for. And I'm assuming it's a fake ad. It's about David Attenborough taking CBD oil, and then there's lots of links to take you to genuine sites where you can actually buy the oil. But it's a sponsored ad from this so-called company HEA Go, which I believe is a complete scam. And see ad details. Let's just see the ad details. You might as well. Oh, look, something's frozen. I'll pause this a minute. So there we go. If you want to see the ad, let's have a quick look. healthylifeclubs.com. It goes to a website which has a heading people. It's a fairly classic shape to the website, so that might tell you something. It's got those sorts of things. Healthy Life Clubs news, and then there's the article, some pictures. It's look, they're using the people there. November 25th, 19, a picture of David Attenborough. About CBD, but with lots of links then to a company which will sell you it, obviously. And other comments from people is Kazana. So, you know. Oh, look who's also been. Hugh, they're using your picture. Right, okay, they've got you there. Colin, they've got you there. Right, who else are they using? Oh, Sean Connery, they've got you in there. Oh, Maggie Smith, they've got you. Well, you know what? I don't use it. Use CBD oil. I want some. I want to use it. I've got arthritis, but I don't believe they are paying you for the right to use your image in this way. I believe they've stolen your image and are using it for their own reasons. Okay. If you care about your image and how it's used, perhaps you will do something about it. I don't know what else. It'll probably disappear now that it gets reported.